this is the also all the portion is the petal only, so I'm completing full. This time you are following my step, but if you are making any other picture, so always keep your tracing in front of you, then you will get to know everything. Okay, always keep the tracing first. This is very nice picture. This is also the part of the flower, so I am making here also. There is excess color, so I am removing this. Like this is also the part of this flower. Now I'm going to complete full shading work of this. The base coat, sorry, not the shading. The base coat is ready. Okay, if need then second coat, otherwise okay, because we need to do shading also. Okay, I don't think so second coat is required, but if you want then you can make second coat, and if it doesn't look like a second coat is required, then no need to do second coat. Okay, I am doing the finishing only. Always check when you will be completed your thing, okay, everything is fine or not, nothing is left. Okay, so this is my habit I'm sharing with you all. When you are doing your drawing, just make sure okay, everything is perfect or not, then you can touch up, you can do like this. Okay, now it's completed. Now I'll use Scarlet Lake. Okay, and now I'm taking Scarlet Lake and sap green. Okay, so first I'm taking the sap green here. Okay, I'm mixing little bit of water, very little. Okay, and now I have to mix this color with water. I'm taking only sap green, only sap green. Okay, I took more, just take a little bit because color should not be wasted. Always take care of your colors, your brushes, everything. At my page Vidisha's Creations, I have given one session about the brushes, how to maintain your brush, how to keep clean and clear your brush, how to take care of your brushes. So just watch that session on the Vidisha's Creations. Now I'm taking the tissue. Okay, and now see, now I'm taking a little bit of green. Okay, and started from there. It is wet like this. Again I'm taking water and just like this. I'm taking a little bit water, then I can here. Again I have to take one tissue because it is on canvas. Like this. Okay, you have to fill. Now you have to wash your brush and just wipe this shade. You have to do it when it is wet only. No need to wait for to dry this thing. Okay, it is little bit, again I'm doing here because I think it is wet, that's why it is happening. Otherwise just make it like this. Okay, now wash your brush, wipe and take the excess color like this. Okay, like this. Okay, the next wash, spread. Okay, wash it, wipe it and just remove the excess color like this. This is the shading of Kerala mural painting. Okay, now I'm taking the water, wipe it and just remove the excess green color like this. Okay, got it? Now we have to complete. Oh my god, I wanted to make this like green and red, green and red. Okay, so I thought like that, but I'll make both the pattern will be green. Okay, like this. It's okay if you want to make, because I have done all the things green, but if you want it then I'll show how to do this thing, because I wanted to make this one green, one red, one green, one red, but it's happened, so don't worry. Okay, I'll make these two with green and this one is red. Okay, and then and I will do it, you can make it alternate red and green, not an issue. I totally forgotten because I was explaining na, so I totally forgotten ki how I to do, but it's okay, not an issue. आप अपनी गलतियों से ही सीखते हो, तो it's okay. When you do any mistake, then you will learn something from your mistake. Okay, now like this, it is yellow. Okay, done. Now we'll move forward from there. I think you're able to see. Let me check. It is there. Yes, you can see. Just you have to spread this thing like this, and after that you have to wash your brush, wipe it and just do this wash. Okay, can wash this thing like this. Your brush should not be totally dry. Moisture should be there. It depends how you are using your brush. Okay, now I am washing my brush and take this wash like this. Okay, I think you are able to understand what I am doing. Finishing is very important in Kerala middle because final getup will come after the finishing. So just you have to make, okay, like this. Just you will complete your picture. Now again I am washing my brush, wipe it and just do this wash. Okay, just wash and do this wash like this. Okay, again just make this wash this much. Again wash your brush and make this wash like this. Okay, I think now you got the method how to do this thing. Again, once it is wet you have to make this wash. Once it will get dry you cannot make the proper shade. After that you need white color to or yellow color to make this shade. Okay, now this is very original method and natural method to do this thing. Okay, I think now you got my point. So just make one more practice again and again. See you in the next episode. Bye.